to create and open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can create and open up a demo account on MetaTrader 5. It is super easy and perfect for practicing your trading skills without risking real money. So let's just get started. First thing first, if you don't already have the MetaTrader 5 app, head over to the Google Play Store and search for MetaTrader 5 to download the app. You can also download it from your desktop from the official MetaTrader website. Since we are using the app, just go ahead and open up the app. After that, simply hit on open after you have successfully downloaded the app, and you can find this option called add trading account here. And in order to create a trading account, your demo account, you can easily tap on this meta code. So here is an option of opening a demo account. Just go ahead and tap on it, and here you need to just fill up this form where you need to enter your first name first. Just type in minimum 2 characters is important, and your second name, and your date of birth, and your phone number, and your email address. Just go ahead and fill that form. And after you have successfully filled up the form above, you're going to fill in this account information where you can choose your server and your account type and your leverage and your deposit. After that, just accept the terms and conditions and simply register, and you will be successfully logged in and your demo account will be created successfully on MetaTrader 5. Just follow this method and you will be easily logged in and successfully your demo account will be created, and that is it. Now you have created and logged in into your demo account on MetaTrader 5. That is a great way to practice and improve your trading skills without any risk. So if you found this video and your tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will get back to you. And thanks for watching.